Hey there, are you looking for a cordless vacuum that is powerful, lightweight, and doesn't get clogged with hair every time you clean? Not only that, but it can also run up to 60 minutes on a single charge, stand on its own, and filter out 99.99% of dust from the air. Today we are taking a look at the Levoit LVAC-300 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. But before we jump into what's inside the box, quick heads up, this is a paid collaboration and this unit was sent to us for free in exchange for this review. But as always, my review remains completely honest, genuine, and based on real use. So right out of the box, the vacuum is well packaged as you can see and protected, and everything comes neatly organized and packed as you can see, from the main brush to the filter and everything in between. And as you can see, the setup is very easy and straightforward, so you will be ready to start cleaning in just a few minutes. Now getting into performance. This vacuum is powered by a motor that delivers up to 12,000 sweeps per minute, giving it a strong suction that easily picks up fine dust, debris, and even stubborn dirt from hard floors and carpets. It is designed to handle everyday messes efficiently without losing performance. One of the biggest highlights here is the triple strike technology. The system is built to tear through hair and prevent tangling, which means you don't have to constantly stop and clean the brush or deal with cutting hair out manually. It is definitely a huge advantage, especially for homes with pets. On top of that, you got a 5-stage HEPA filtration system that captures up to 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. That means while you are cleaning your floors, you are also improving the air quality in your home. When it comes to battery life, this is another strong point, where you can get up to 60 minutes of runtime on Eco mode using the service tool, around 40 minutes with the main vacuum head, and about 12 minutes on turbo mode for more intense cleaning sessions. That's definitely more than enough to cover most homes in one go. The vacuum also features 3 power modes, so you can switch between Eco, Mid, and Turbo depending on the level of cleaning you need and how fast you want to get it done. Another feature that really stands out is the self-standing design. As you can see, you can literally just stop and walk away without needing to lean it against a wall or lay it down, which makes everyday use much more convenient and super easy. And to help with visibility, it also includes LED lights on the vacuum head, making it easier to spot dust and debris under furniture, tables, and darker areas. And in terms of versatility, it comes with useful attachments like a 2-in-1 service tool for tight spaces and a mini motorized brush that works great on upholstery, sofas, and bedding. It is designed to handle multiple surfaces including hard floors, low pile carpets, and furniture, and everything in between. Overall, this Levoit LVAC-300 is a well-rounded cordless vacuum that combines strong suction, anti-tangle technology, long battery life, and smart design features into one easy-to-use system. It is built to make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient without the usual hassle. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing cordless vacuum cleaner by Levoit. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best vacuum for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy powerful, tangle-free cleaning all time. See you in the next video. Peace.